card.
You came to renew your
Card.
health insurance card.
Yes.
Have they renewed it for you?
Yes.
So are you okay now?
I'm okay.
You are now okay?
Yes.
Wow, thank you very much, okay?
God bless you.
Amen.
Mi ono je ono to via nko. Ni ka wo fe no ko na nye ba fio. Ni nye covering sronko na ka call Srotoko kra because nye jogba nye jiogami ni moniko okwe oba na kishi yes gambi eba fe noko ni no fiano na fio nye kava ka che 11 by 12 nye jeme e fiano o chonye no fiano o fio nye ba ko ni apart from that ka wo te net no wona other things ni nye fio e wo mi da na nto nya ka na ojo no bi ye ma twa kwame kono ni ma ha me ayoko ni ma wa me wale ni tuma na metu eja keshi wo gamedia e fa kwala e wo li eno nya fio ne nyangwa ba jonye nya fia ne kwa ne ya nwen a chomi justice na ya le sa akode mensa
Now, when I want to get gamante, she be me papa bu she be. Wale no ni afio, she want na catch fine, ke that foi, ke nurse foi fe ye akucho nemi. Baba smoko no ja oto agbe fio ye no poten na fio e bi egbene.
eh ngane sane ni bi ni ano bi aje no ko bi bio wo gamanche ni ji his royal majesty kintakite ko churu ni ji enyo abiasoma ade enche e can be miss money am fair am here he wale me na me na wala ni se ke koni am ni bi ni nyongo ke ha me na me enjoy e wo ke a screen mafia mo aba check o no fiano o pressure o sickly ka malaria ka no kra bo ya ba check bo ni doctor say ba wo bonga bodo ba ko he no ha ni ka amebe na am ba ka chofa ni sana ha bo ameba ha bo ko gbe na ubaya no ba register national health na ha bo card ni money ye ko na egwe e ka renew hale ene me fe gamanche ni chofa ni yo bia na LP keke me e wa phytorhica in particular nye how a track load of chofa strotoi nakano wa mami onukwa fefe na chole Rebecca Akufo-Addo first lady e how to find p ne chiwo ise other companies e chiwo ise ni doctors LP when the doctors ni obi na if but ba na me am if 30 ke 40 next is 50 am a jehefia he aje police hospital aje snit aje trust aje kolebu aje nyaho aje 37 nke hospital say p
work specialized and professional lab technicians e ba bien e wo am here ma apparatus je fe o ka me jiola je me no ma kwami ta flash he like me no ko e bien na HIV/AIDS allo hepatitis B allo malaria allo sugar diabetics nega majani bi na ka jiola e ko me po la ye hia e ko ni la ye hia aprico allo ajo ta fe instant test je me no resource ba chon ka ya ke loko fe loko fe bo kada ke go na resource bo na doctor ba kwabo ka refer ko ye ka refer to a bigger hospital
yanton the doctors koko me hweba acha me ENT specialist for ear nose and throat ni ji toy google call me o say wo ka hela ko yo google me allo to me allo send me am hu am tell aja me p am ba check no am abo apart from that I want check me for other things like malaria, hepatitis, TB, HIV and diabetes. One check me friend where testing kits say lab technicians say aja me am hu am check me friend you want to know if you're complete
ambulance no na 2 months ago no what fail the last year okay in fact one fail one make 300 there I don't know one make to 700 ba the among ni bini happen one aka mama ko ba ni etini na BP anya 2 no ko o amuno no ni wo hani ambulance so ni kama ya hospital e wo the legate we refer quickly can save a life e wo ko no ni ambulance be it's simply because kaja ka mko ye this ane akala ya no e yan wa do magba ni wata ka ambulance machine ne ba wo mo ne ka mo ya
Yo ma, okay, ogba justice. E wo mi to mo bia ke justice le ko ile ake nya ye heri nya chuonye ni ye. Singmene no yo mancha ko ya shine miniti ogba na ni chimo lo mini jo shidamo. yeah abiasuma we ne
Let the justice say, Niji judge say, well, he was shown actually courtroom. Ain't you home? In this other cagbene, me who not afia me, I will give back to the society. It was in Shimbencheno, be an emiwa niga adomoshin. It will be an Miji money wa biasuma, in Titan Hamaji, Chief of Staff for the Office of the Government. They mean what new what sugar henny, near Daboshi. Nika will war na national way. Can't I can't war. One bar. Well, that's no feel. Why only police for
police for the bar. I'm a back a hunter flatcher about my boy about for security purposes. I've been aware. So police recommend now. Doctors hear me, can nurses hear me. Where I can one doctor for can nurses from police hospital. Number one, I can do 2 more.
I found in the actual program in Manchester, organizer, man be or if health insurance, many back where I new ones. Then when I met you, AS5 when I renew I mean, they are checking everything. The cost, they are bearing all the cost involved. None penny or not, you could like a mukobanya, a baby, to more leg screening there now. Care baby, let's say baby and Spitazani, and about here details say,
Damanchani, a war to Enake, Menabine, if he held screening, it will be in your Akuchunel. You will back a war up here say. A ham of fair money during the head screening there. A chain as a transfer straight to a nearby hospital. Oh, no, I will couldn't walk away while I have.
But Nuchawake, Tondanaka war he latte me, no me or 20. Oh, okay. It was Yabia she come on me, 10 and 90 more. Mendo that's over no ye.
Oh, no for no can be me, ni Wabada Gamanche would do that. Can have a very program nanny if he can have a Akuchu Mine. You will qualify one a channel. It can have cafe Nagi. Well, the cafe could you will qualify a channel. If he harm then will back from firm only or BFI. I can cover there a yaku. Or firm a book protocol said to a no. A use sanitizer, a will no smart. Ni fair any afford it can look at some lie. I'm a bomodeni, I'm a feeling like I have.
Mane nyawo helachamo here fair kababi lo meniano.
No, John, what wo kaje kolebu kababi ni wabawa koni mefe moaba na mama kwa mehela misani wo ni mene wababi ake won face screening koni mo fair mo ye no ye fa ba no ba kwa no ni fio na no ni ya no yo mi wo ni wo ye bi mene.
There are some challenges, but they were expected. I mean, I've done other screenings. I see patients every day. Yeah, so some people are actually being seen at Kolebu and other facilities. They are on medications, but they are not compliant. They come here, their blood pressure is high. You just have to talk, you know. So, yes, there are challenges with the people and also with the organization. As you can see, we seem a bit crowded, especially in this pandemic times. Some people refuse to still wear the mask and all. That's what the challenges there a lot, but we try and then get by.
Mene came on Bakuni Bakwe. You are renewed insurance and about well and it been
Health insurance pay you. Can come, mammy, she wouldn't tell whom.
No, my renewed insurance.
I'm okay, no, you're me, send what fake or make a mobile. No, way. I go away for when your man sound, can't quit, oh, my dioma, or send one more. No, way, can't look at men and look away. A shot for a quest, and I will end up here. Couldn't what fake me. Coniga, I'm Irish now.
You offer them many pottage on over fair be.
Offer I check BP, diabetes. But hela fair, no, you have a quabo. You have a million here, Sanima Barco. No, Nimba, Lele, I check me, can you be fair? Mbani, I feel lab.
ewo fa ni mini je kon shimo wiemo lo he wala wo wiemo no yo ke ha abiasuma
shi ikon mi ha abiasuma ni takite kochu aka she bomodin ha wo jopa no na ke wo fe ni wona hejole no ni penny pa wo nyanga ne
ngana me no ba fe bi e
o fa na mama fe insurance ambi e
obi e ha jini
o fa ne ato me oko ka kwele shame shi agbe aile ka ikwe pa me bi yale bi ene enwo na wa shije fia afi oleken shi wo gane da agbeleke ni na afi afo fe mo gane wa enwo na wa monitor leke provision mon male wale efite nda fie na gbele fe leke life na woda
His Royal Majesty Kentucky Taco True ni je nyo no nu tun papa na chu mo ma bi na no wa joma nyo wa adaje